If you're looking for a new workout program to kickstart your comeback in the gym and get fit, I've got the perfect one for you. Hey guys, I'm Leon from Strongertmr Training, and I'm here with you to share my FITTER training program to help you get crazy fit. Please ignore the cap. My hair is super long and I haven't gotten the chance to cut it. I'll be detailing the ins and outs of the workout, sharing with you the exercises, the frequency, the sets, reps, and so on. Firstly, let's understand that the main aim of this workout program is to help you get fit. To be physically fit is a state of health and well-being. Physical fitness is to be able to function effectively and efficiently. We want to have good health, resist disease, as well as to react in emergency situations quickly. We'll be focusing on a few components in this program. Number 1, maximal strength. Number 2, muscular endurance. Number 3, cardiorespiratory endurance. Number 4, mobility. And lastly, our body composition. We'll be doing a 4-day training split with an option to do an additional day 5 if you like. On day 1, we're going to focus on max effort strength. Day 2, conditioning and core. Day 3 will be our rest day. Day 4, we'll be focusing on muscular endurance. Day 5, conditioning and core again, but this time the conditioning will be focused on longer duration or longer distance. Day 6, we're focusing on rest, active recovery or mobility drills. Again, you have the option of doing an additional day of workout. This can be an additional day in the gym where you want to focus on some lagging muscle groups, or perhaps you just want to play some basketball or soccer. Just stay active. And on day 7, it will be a day of complete rest. It's highly recommended that during the rest days, you take part in some form of active recovery. This can mean very light exercises such as walking or even some light swimming. Better yet, you can take part in some easy flow yoga movements or do some mobility drills in order to improve your mobility and flexibility. On day 1, we have our strength day where we'll be focused on building strength. We have 2 main max effort exercises, which is a push as well as a lower body max effort exercise, followed by a pull and a lunge or hinge variation. So for exercise 1, you're going to do a max effort push. We're going to aim for 3 top sets of 5 repetitions. And for this exercise, you can choose from either a bench press, an incline bench press, a push press, or a straight overhead press. Next, we have our max effort lower body work. You choose from either a barbell squat variation such as the barbell back squat or the barbell front squat, or a barbell hinge such as the deadlift or a sumo deadlift. If you're not able to deadlift for some reason, you can consider utilizing a trap bar deadlift. Again, we'll be working up to 3 top sets of 5 repetitions in order to build strength. Ideally, for these 2 max effort exercises, you'll be using the barbell. If you don't have a barbell, feel free to use dumbbells instead. But barbells will always be better at building strength. As we are working for strength, the rest times can be kept longer. Feel free to rest from 90 seconds all the way up to 3 minutes if you have to. Next, we have our supplemental pull exercise. You'll be doing this exercise for 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. My preferred exercises will be a pull-up, an incline row, or a dumbbell row. If you're unable to do some of the above exercises, feel free to use a machine like the lat pull down. Next, we have our supplemental lower body exercise. We'll be only doing 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions for this exercise. You can choose between a lunge variation or a hinge variation. My recommended exercise will be a dumbbell lunge or a dumbbell Romanian deadlift. An optional last exercise will be a supplemental arm exercise, as I know we all want to look good too. So you can just choose between a dumbbell curl or a tricep pull down. The exercise choice doesn't really matter that much, but just aim for 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions to build some muscle in your arms. And for day 2, we'll be doing a moderate to high intensity conditioning and core workout. If you want to keep it simple, you can utilize sprinting, rowing, cycling, or the ski. You'll be performing 8 to 12 rounds of about 100 to 200 meter intervals. And your rest time will be from 60 seconds all the way to 2 minutes. You don't have to go all out during these sprints. We want to keep it safe and doable. Just make sure you push yourself hard enough. If you're a more advanced trainee, you can also consider doing CrossFit style workout programs. Any other HIIT style program can also be used for this conditioning day, especially if you're not able to do the above exercises. And to finish off all the conditioning drills, we're going to do a high repetition core circuit. You're just going to pick 3 to 4 core exercises such as crunches, leg raises, sprinter sit-ups, leg bugs, whatever works for you. And we're going to perform about 10 to 20 repetitions of each of them for 3 to 4 sets. And on day 4, we have our muscular endurance day. We'll be building our muscular endurance by performing exercises in the 15 to 20 repetition range. We will utilize the basic movements of the push, the pull, the squat, and the hinge in order to create a circuit. This is different from the conditioning circuit where we are trying to boost our anaerobic capacity. We'll be focusing on muscular endurance here instead. We can alternate between the upper body and lower body exercise. For example, we will first do a push, followed by a squat or lunge, then the pull, followed by the hinge. I will recommend you using your body weight or just dumbbells for this circuit. Here are some examples of the exercises you can use. But if you want to keep it simple, you can structure it like so. You can do a push-up first for 15 to 20 repetitions and rest, followed by a bodyweight squat or dumbbell front squat, followed by some incline rows, and then followed by a kettlebell swing. You will rest about 30 seconds in between the exercises and about 60 seconds to 2 minutes in between the set. You will then perform 4 to 6 sets of this total circuit. And for our last day 5, we'll be doing our low to moderate intensity cardio. We'll be working on building cardiovascular endurance and aerobic capacity. And for the main cardio exercise, you can choose to focus on either the distance traveled or the time taken to complete a certain distance. Some recommendations are running or jogging, cycling, rowing, or swimming. I like to ask my trainees to start off with a certain time first, for example 20 minutes, and then we can build on from there. And after which you'll come back and perform the same high repetition core circuit as you did on day 2. On your off days, try to remain active by either going for walks, doing some mobility drills, or even doing some light gentle yoga. If you need some help on warming up or mobility drills, check out my article on warming up better or my videos on mobility drills and foam rolling. This workout program can be run for as long as you want to, as long as you're making good progress in terms of your strength, muscular endurance, or your cardio. I also made it highly customizable. This is so you can choose the exercises that are appropriate for you as well as to fit your logistics. If you're not really sure which exercises to choose, I recommend you keep it basic and follow my recommended exercises. You shouldn't also always be switching the exercises around, but only when you're stalling or maybe after a month or 2. So try out this program and let me know how it works for you. If you got any questions about this workout program, do drop a comment below and I'll see how I can help you out. If you enjoyed the video, do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.